Shreya Gupta. I am a recent postgraduate in economics and I have done a certification course from Ivy Professional School in data science, machine learning, and deep learning. So it's been 6 months, and now I am working as a business analyst. I knew my skill set was not at par for the jobs I wanted. So I was looking for some courses in data science, machine learning, and AI. I was looking for the courses. I did a thorough research on the internet, and I came across Ivy, and I compared it with other institutions based on the curriculum, because what they had was not very repetitive but very different, and was like comprising of all the tools I wanted to learn. It had visualization, it had mining, and it had modeling. This particular course which I did, it was like a boot camp. It was very disciplined. Like, we had fixed timings. It was as per the schedule, and then there was this leaderboard wherein on the weekends we used to had the assignments and assessments, and based on them then we used to be ranked. So it was like a boot camp kind of situation. So the course structure was very good, and the curriculum included like everything you can think of. Instead of doing the course, if I would have just read up online or taken up some other classroom program, I don't think I would be able to cover so many topics I did in this particular classroom program. In the interviews, what really helped was, other than the curriculum, there are other questions like logic sets or guesstimates and other, profile building questions. So all these were also like, Ivy also helped us on all these front as well, because obviously the instructors are industry leading professionals, so they know about stuff. They know what a company is looking for in people, and they know what might be asked in an interview. So we were like pre-provided with all this, and not just that we were like, it's not the case that we were totally spoon-fed, but they really helped us. Like, they really guided us with how we should be, in our interviews. It's totally same. Like, what we have learned is what we are applying. So in one of my in the current organization, I am working on Python, and I am working on like time series. So we were taught about this as well in the IB. But one thing is, like, there are many other things which come up when you are in an organization, and in IB, apart from curriculum, they also forces you to challenge yourself and do more than what is expected. So that's how it also helps in the organization as well. So one thing, like job selection process, or the getting the opportunity process is very difficult and tough for your mental well-being as well. So one thing is that apply smartly, and not just blindly easy apply on all the things you get. Just apply smartly, and also give interviews. It's not that that I'll prepare first and then give interviews. Give interviews starting, say, like after 3-4 months, start giving interviews. And once you start giving interviews, you get the confidence to do well in your other interviews. So it was totally like a classroom program only. Only the fact was that it was online, but it was a classroom program. We used to had interaction with the teachers during the class only. We used to ask them about the questions, about the problems we are facing, and it was like no technical glitches at all. And even if we on our end used to face technical glitches, someone from the team used to help us. And then always, like, they used to provide the recordings the next day itself, or the same day, next day also in the morning itself. So even if you miss on a particular class, you can catch up on the recordings, and recordings were like very good. So recordings were very very easy going, and there were no glitches of anything. So so recordings were there. And then also attending the class is still better, because you can ask the questions, but then recordings also help in terms of revisions and everything. So before my interview, I used to, on loop play Python classes. So that's there. So I'll definitely give a thumbs up, and definitely will ask my friends to join in Ivy for learning data science and machine learning things. So Ivy definitely, take you forward in a systematic process. Like, it's not like we had 5 classes or 5 programs in one day. We started with SQL and Python, machine learning, and then we moved on to advanced Excel and visualization. And so it was like mining and modeling first, and then visualization techniques, and then we learned R. So it was a very systematic process through which we went in. So I'll definitely think you need the guidance. If you feel you need the guidance, then you should definitely go for Ivy Professional School and their course.